Okay, will be doing some unboxing. This is the package that I just got just this afternoon. So we'll open this one. I spent 1,300 for this one. 1,300 pesos. So we'll see. In case of memorial. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oop. One. So this is the Hoya that I bought last week. So they stayed for, I think this one was mailed last Tuesday, December 8th. Yes, today is 15. So this one is the crinkle 8. So crinkle 8 is too small. I don't know if it has already roots. Let's see. There is a very small roots here. This one is the celata. Yes, this is the celata. So this is 350. So you can see how big it is. This is 350. Crinkle, I think, is also 350. This one is walliniana. I think this is also 350. I think the crinkle is 400. I think, I'm not sure. I forgot the price. So there is no price here. So this is the walliniana. I was supposed to get the Australis Lisa. However, when I saw the pictures, it was not a Lisa, it was just ordinary Australis. So I decided to get the walliniana instead, because what I saw in the pictures was the leaves will turn to something reddish. So I decided, because I wanted some Hoyas with the beautiful leaves, and if this would turn out to be really colorful when sun stress, then I think this is a good one. The Australis Lisa should have been a better one, but it turned out that what they have is the ordinary Australis. So I decided to get this one. I'm supposed to get the Cotis porcellana in the sunrise. However, it is no longer available, so I opted to get this one instead. This is one of my wish list, because I wanted the white flower of this one. I have some Pubicorella here. I have the pink this pink dragon, I have the anthracena and the black dragon. So this will be the white dragon. Hopefully I can have this grow into big flowering Hoya.